How's it going, guys? Voodoo Stache here. Today we're going to be looking at the fascia lines. So we have these fascia lines, which is essentially the connective tissue or the stuff that connects your body from top to bottom. We have a line on the front of our body, the back of our body, the sides. We have a spiral line. This is how the body is connected from head to toe. Visualize it as one long string. So think about a string from the top of my head all the way down to my toes. If I change the tension at any point of that string, I don't just change it by making it tighter up here. This entire line gets tighter. So if you think of it that way, if I've got tension in my neck or in my tummy or in my shins, that's going to be affecting everything else along that entire line. So what we're going to look at today, we're going to attack is going to be the gut. With all kinds of fascia lines that run through the gut. So if we loosen these up, this will allow you to breathe better so your tummy can fully expand when you breathe. It'll loosen up your shoulders so you get more range of motion. It'll loosen up the front side of your legs, so you're going to get a lot of great things out of that. So what I'm going to use here is like a yoga ball here, or not a yoga ball, there's a trigger point ball, it's got a little bit of give. It's not rock hard, but it's got some firmness, but it also has a little bit of give to it. So what we're going to do with this is you're going to start off this thing right below the bottom of your rib cage here, in the very center. That's your sternocleidomastoid, which we've worked on before. So you're going to take this ball, you're going to toss that ball underneath your tummy. You're going to wiggle back and forth on there. And every breath you take in through your nose and out through your mouth, I want your breath to hit that ball. When you hit that ball, your breath into the ball, you'll feel like a little tight spot there. I want you to breathe that more and more and get more and more relaxed. As you get comfy there, then what you're going to do is you're going to sink your body into the ball. Take a deep breath in, sink into the ball, then I want you to pull your body up. Then relax coming down. Deep breath in, hits the ball, sink into the ball and pull your chest up. If you look from the side, it's going to look like this. I'm here, I'm sinking into the ball that's right here. I push down and I pull my chest up. And what that's doing is like pinning this fascia down and pulling it apart down that whole line there. Okay, so you'll start off from the middle. Then from there, you're going to work your way down the sides of your ribs. So I'm going to come over to the right side of my rib cage here, just below my rib cage. That's your internal external oblique. You're lining up there, so I'm going to wiggle back and forth there. Every breath I take's got to hit that ball. Now, since I'm on my right side here, I'm going to sink into that ball. I'm going to get my breath. I'm going to pull myself up. Then I'm going to pull over to my left, away from that ball. So now I've got this whole line here spreading apart. Coming down, deep breath in. Push into the ball. And pull that thing apart. Those sound effects are optional. It's up to you. So do the same thing on the left side, and then you're going to end with the lower part of your tummy. So you're going to work across the lower part of your belly. So here's your belly button just off to the side there. So I'm going to work back and forth there. This is actually a Chapman point for your psoas as well. So you can kind of kill two birds with one stone here. Breathe into that point. Pull your body straight up. And then you can also pull your body up and over to your right. So again, I'm getting that whole line opening up. There's a lot of great things that occur by rolling out a ball in your tummy. You're getting a ton of blood flow in that area. So lots of fresh blood flowing in through there, which is going to help with digestion, and it's going to help keep that lymphatic system flowing really well. So again, work that ball in your tummy, and then lay down and work on some breathing exercises. Work on some shoulder stuff. Do some different movements afterwards, and compare and contrast and see how they feel when you do it and when you don't do it. You should feel a lot better and a lot looser with that. If you guys enjoy that, let me know if there's anything else I can do for you. You guys have a great day.